This is a review of the Hamilton Beach 5-in-1 coffee maker that I would highly recommend. This coffee maker, what I want to start off by saying is that the stainless steel quality really amazing. I love how the feel and the touch and the finish is really amazing. Another thing I like about this coffee maker is that it really is versatile and easy to use. You can see that we have a touchscreen head unit display right over here, and that's your on and off switch, and right here is your OZ button, and then right here is your timer for your stopwatch, and then right here is for your iced tea, and then right here is for your K-cup pods right here to pour in, and then right here is your ground cups where you put it right here. And that's right here is, you can see, is really easy to use, and it does come with the glass as well too, which is right over here. And the quality is really amazing. It's real glass, and it tells you the amounts of how much coffee you're pouring in. And then right here we get the stopwatch, like I mentioned, the single, regular, and right here, like I mentioned, your K cup pods that you put in right here. And overall, I would highly recommend the Hamilton Beach 5-in-1 coffee maker. I've been using this for like over a month now, and it's been very easy to use, and it makes coffee very tasty and delicious. And overall, I would highly recommend it. It's very versatile. It's not too heavy either. It's pretty lightweight. The coffee, like I mentioned, is really delicious, and I would highly recommend this. If you are looking for a new coffee machine, then this is probably one of the best ones.